Hello everyone, this is Mr. Garcia from Monte Rosemead Adult School, and what I'm going to show you today is how to check your Moodle and check your work to see if it has been submitted and turned in. There's a couple of ways to do this. The first way, which is the easiest way, you'll notice that you'll have a green box here. And if your green box is checked, that tells you that this work has been submitted. And the other way to do this is to go directly onto the assignment, click onto the assignment, and then it will say add submission. And if it says add submission, then you have not turned in the work. So one more time, everyone. One of the ways that you can tell if you have turned in the work is you'll see the checkbox to remind you that you have completed it. And then, of course, everyone, if you have any doubt, you can actually click on this, and you click on the assignment, and then the assignment will say add submission. And if assignment still says add submission, that means you have not submitted the work. Once again, I hope this is Mr. Garcia from Monte Rosemead Adult School. I hope this answers your question. And all you need to do, everybody, is take probably about 2 or 3 minutes to go through all the assignments to make sure they're there. But don't forget to easily look at the checkboxes. Thank you.